Hi there. In this video I'm going to put together a poinsettia card off the edge. Poinsettia. Hope I'm saying that right. I'll provide the design space file in the Cricut Explorer Maker More Facebook group, so I'll link to that in the description box below. Let's see, anything else? No. Alright, so I cut everything out of shimmer. I don't know if you'll be able to tell it's shimmer and glitter. All the pieces are shimmer and glitter. Okay, and then I embossed this one. It's white shimmer paper, and that's I think Poinsettia and Holly. It's an Anna Griffin embossing folder, and then the background is going to be gold glitter. It doesn't show up that well on the camera. Glitter's hard to capture on camera, and I remembered my card base this time. We'll set it off to the side. Okay, on the back of this I put double-sided tape because it's got on the back side of an embossed is debossed, and I wanted to make sure that it got a good adhesion to the glitter. So I'm not going to glue it. I'm just going to peel this and stick it to it. That way it doesn't come apart later on. Alright, so I'm going to do that first. Alright. Alright. I know I'm struggling. You would think it'd be easy with long nails, but no. Okay. So I left this one on so it doesn't go all the way, stick all the way down. It's attached to my finger. Alright. Looks good enough to me. So I'm going to press it down. Alright. Then we're going to put together the poinsettia. I hope I'm saying it right. Okay. So on mine, since I have a Cricut Joy Extra, I couldn't use the scoring tool because that's for the maker. So I used the foiling tool to do scoring. So instead of drawing, I got the foil tool to, let's see, to emboss it, kind of, like score it, the veins of it, and then I ripped that right there, but you won't be able to see it much. Okay, so I had all these oriented in the way they gotta go, stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to use my glue. I think I'm just going to put it around the center. Little dots around the center. Alright. Hopefully it sticks. Whoop. Okay. I might have to glue the leaves down. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. I like the glitter poking out from behind it anyway. Alright, so then the next one goes on top of the green. The green layer, which is the leaves. That one got bent backwards, but it's fine. Now I gotta figure out which way is this. Shoot. Did I put glue on it? Yeah. This way. Whoop. I don't want to mess up the top piece, so. Alright, so I glued that down. I guess I can add glue to the center of this. Just a little bit. Because it'll still be glittery. Because the glue dries clear. Should have thought about this before I cut it out of pearl paper or shimmer paper. I mean, you go through and glue down all the pieces, all the leaves pieces together, but whoops. Alright, so then this goes like, nope. I just had it all sorted out. So I wouldn't mess around. Alright, there we go. Alright, so the black is like a black outline. Whoop. There we go. And then it attaches to here. Alright. Put glue on it. Hopefully it sticks good with the embossing. Probably should use double-sided tape, but if I put enough glue, maybe it'll stay. Okay. All right. Just think, I was going to make it harder on myself and put 3D, not 3D, adhesive foam dots on it. Alright, then we'll put it together onto the card base. So like I said, I'll link to the group in the description box below. so you can get the design space file. You will have to have Cricut access in order to cut it, or buy the two images I used, because I had to use the draw and cut and the regular cut file to create the score lines. So, all right. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you for watching, and I hope to see your card made in the group. Bye.